Honestly, if you're working right now, you don't need it. That's just the truth. Don't even think of applying for job. Don't even think of applying for job. This 21st century, don't think. Don't even go there. If you're even working, what you should be doing right now is to go ahead and hit on that resignation letter, resign, quit that job, and have your peace of mind. Honestly, one of the best decisions that I've made in my life is when I told myself that I am quitting. Yes, I need this money, but I am quitting the job. I need this money, right? This money is very important to me, but I am quitting. I don't need a job. So you do not need that particular job. Because you see, this job saga, it is exhausting. These people are only using you. These people only need you to clean up their mess. These people only need you to go ahead, bring out money for their company wherever, whenever they need you. I remember working, and sometimes, even when it is not my will, I have to work night shift. One of the most exhausting shifts ever. You understand? Even when you are right, you tend to be the one to apologize to these customers. Quit that job. You do not need that job in this 2025. You do not need that job. All you need to do is how you can put your skills together. See, that particular job, whenever they want to fire you, they'll go ahead and fire you without thinking twice. They'll go ahead and sack you without thinking twice. Then what are you still doing on that job? Why do you think you need this job so badly? Why do you think without this job you cannot survive? Because that is most of us mentality. We have come to that point and conclude in our life that without this job I cannot survive. How do I even survive without getting a job? A job of 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, and you think you cannot survive it. My darling, you can survive it. Quit the job and start content creating. 99% of people right now, what they are using to earn living right now is content creating. You have a skill inside of you that you have not realized. You have something inside of you that you have not even showed the world yet, where you can use these skills and make money. Why do you carry your CV looking for jobs east, west, north, and south, where you can just sit down, put out your life here and make money? Where you can just sit down, there is something inside of you that you can deliver. There is something inside of you that is telling you that this is what you should do. Go to social media, go to YouTube. Some persons will even come to my comment section and say, oh, I just started YouTube because I saw your video. I am proud of you people. And some will be like, what is even YouTube? A lot of people don't know that right now social media has power. All the power that is remaining right now for you to earn good amount of money is on social media. Come and start creating YouTube. Don't go and start looking for jobs. The moment I quit my job, I became serious with creating content because I made it look like my life depend on it. Because I knew that my life depend on it. There was no way I was going to be getting money. So if my life depends on it and I do not have a job, what do I need to do? I need to put in my best. I need to put in what I need to do. I need to put in my skills. I need to also acquire new skills so that at the end of the day, I can achieve what I want to achieve. And that is why a lot of you guys are still there looking for someone to give you 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, and you call yourself a working class. A lot of you have concluded that, oh, I love my job so much. My darling, my boss loves me so much. Your boss would never love you. Your boss never love you. It is just a slight mistake that you will do, and then they will pull you out of that company. Now, let me tell you something. Nobody is irreplaceable. You are not irreplaceable. They will replace you. The moment they find someone that has that qualification they're looking for, they will replace you no matter how good the qualification is. The moment you die, you are replaced immediately. The only thing they can do for you, if you are that important to them, is mourn you for just some minutes, a minute silence. And after a minute silence for you, they move on with their life. These people are using you. These companies are using you. Quit your job. Embrace social media. Embrace content creating. Embrace YouTubing. I am so mad, so pissed when I see young ladies out there. They are doing jobs that at the end of the day, even before the end of the month, you've spent it on salary. You do not need this job. Quit this job and start creating content. Content creating right now is the oil money. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you don't need to stress. The very first time I heard about YouTube channel was when I saw Dana Ekweme's video saying, oh, how she became a millionaire housewife. And I told myself, if you can become a millionaire housewife, I can become a millionaire housewife. I achieved that today because of YouTube. I was never achieving it with salary that is less than 100,000 naira I was receiving. At some point, I got tired. At some point, I knew that these people were using me because the time I was supposed to put into my best, create my content, build my own empire, I am using this same time to do what? To keep pushing and making sure that everything is okay. You can imagine someone that is supervising and then a front desk person at the same time. Even when you are not supposed to say, I am sorry, you're going to say, I'm sorry. Even when the customer is not right, your boss will tell you that the customer is right. So what are you still doing? Why are you still carrying your CV looking for jobs up and down? What do you think that this job can actually give you? They can just give you stipends that at the end of the month you are just going to spend it. Especially for people that are in Nigeria, that every single day price of things keep increasing. You're doing a job of 50,000 naira, you are coming back with that 50,000 naira instantly. That 50,000 naira cannot even solve your 10 different needs that you have. And you were still on that job, and you are not coming to create content, and you were still in the comment section asking, how do I start? Start somewhere. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need all of the fancy equipment. You don't need all of that big phone. I have a camera, but I'm filming with my phone right now, and I'm going to be uploading this video. You don't need those things you think you need for you to be able to stand. All you need is to start. When you start, you are going to achieve it. When you start, you are going to see that YouTube is profitable. When you start, you are going to see the reward of starting content creating on YouTube. One of the best things that has happened to every single persons that are making money from YouTube is the fact that they are able to make even $1. Quit that job. You do not need that job. They are using you. I will keep screaming. I will keep telling you. If you're a business person, you are on the good side. All you need to do right now is to go ahead and do what? And start creating content, showcasing people what you are also putting out here. Quit. YouTube is the best platform I recommend for every single person. You don't need that job. You don't need that CV. Don't think you are too important. You are not important. You are not important. It's just a snap of finger, you will be replaced. I will keep telling you, you do not need a job again. You do not need a job. What you need right now is YouTube. And trust me, you will definitely not regret it. If you're just coming into my video for the first time, or this is the first time you're seeing my face, hello, my name is Sonia, and this is Vibe with Sonia. I teach you here how you can make money. And YouTube is one of the best places for you to make money. Quit that job, start content creating, and thank me later. If you have not subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, let's say in my videos, I'm going to be saying back, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Quit that job. You do not need it. I will keep telling you. You do not need it. I will see you in my next one.